Walk up tight through your hips. That deep ache right where your stress settles is your body's way of saying we can't keep starting the day this way. Let's change the story. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left leg extended behind, back knee down. Now place your left hand on the ground and reach your right arm up to the sky. Open your chest and breathe into the twist. This is how you reset your spine and unlock your hips at the same time. It's not just about mobility, it's about releasing what you've been holding. I promise this will decompress your lower back, open your hip flexors, and help your entire body breathe deeper. Beginners, keep your hand on your thigh instead of reaching high. Advanced stretchers, attack the back toe and hover the knee for deeper activation. Feel the tightness behind your hip? That's yesterday's posture talking. Breathe, twist, 5 more seconds. Switch legs, left foot forward, right knee down, twist open to the left. Notice the difference between the two sides. Your imbalance is your clue. It tells the story of how you've been walking, sitting, or stressing. Do you feel that yet? If not, lean in. You're close. Last 5 seconds. That just cracked open your hips. Now let's go even deeper. Slide your right knee forward, placing it behind your right wrist. Extend the left leg back and slowly lower down. The stretch targets the deepest layer of glute and hip tension. If you've been feeling emotionally heavy or physically stuck, this is where it lives. I promise this move is a game changer for emotional release, sciatic relief, and long-term hip health. Beginners, place a cushion under the hip. Advanced stretches, fold forward fully, reaching both arms long. Still with me? Breathe into that tension. It's not punishment, it's permission to let go. Last 5 seconds, melt down. Now switch sides, left knee forward, right leg behind. Feel how this stretch hits differently. The side might be your dominant leg or one you favor. Give it the attention it deserves. Feel that intensity in your glute? That's where your body stores the stress you avoid. You're not running from it today, you're releasing it. Five more seconds. That just released your base. Now let's realign your hips. Sit upright, feet flat on the floor, hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back up. Repeat gently on the other side. This movement builds true hip control. Not just flexibility, not just strength, control. I promise you, these internal rotations protect your knees, unlock deeper hip freedom, and help your posture stay strong all day. Beginners, go slow. Keep knees above ankles. Advanced stretches, try without hands or add a light pulse at the bottom. Most people never train internal rotation, but it's key for pain-free walking, lifting, and balance. Keep going. 5 more seconds. That just activated your deep stabilizers. Now let's stretch your sides and finish strong. Come to a kneeling. Step your right foot out to the side. Right palm slides down your thigh. Then reach overhead, leaning to the left, stretching through your side body. This stretch isn't just for posture, it's for length. You carry bags, burdens, and stress all on one side of the body. I promise this will release your lateral chain, improving spinal alignment and calming your nervous system. Beginners, keep torso upright. Advanced stretches, reach deeper or place your right elbow on your thigh. Hold it. Reach long. 5 more seconds. Switch sides. Left leg extended. Left arm reaches up and over. Let the stretch be your reset. The exhale for your hips. Don't skip the side. Don't rush it. This is where symmetry is built. Final 5 seconds. That just opened your sides. Now it's time to move with power. Stand up tall, place your hands on your hips, start rotating your hips in big, slow circles. Change directions every few reps. This stretch is playful, but powerful. It's the movement your body craves after sitting still. I promise this will unlock your lumbar spine, fire your core, and rebalance your center of gravity. Beginners, keep knees soft and circles small. Advanced stretches, widen your stance and slow it down for deeper activation. Here's a little challenge. Let's go 10 slow, controlled rotations each way. Can you finish the set without stopping? Let's go. 5 more seconds. That just resets your center, body, breath, and rhythm aligned.